Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your home automation with SmartThings, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have the SmartThings app downloaded on your smartphone or tablet. Open the app and sign in with your Samsung account or create a new one if you don't already have an account. Next, tap the Add Device button to start adding your existing smart devices. Choose the category of the device you want to add, such as lights, cameras, or thermostats. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your smart device to your Wi-Fi network. Once your device is connected, give it a recognizable name for easy management. To enhance automation, go to the Automations tab in the SmartThings app. Here, tap on Add Automation and choose if this, then that options. Select a trigger for your automation, like a specific time of day or the action of another device. Next, specify the action that should occur, such as turning on lights or adjusting the thermostat. Test your automation to ensure it operates as expected and make any necessary adjustments. For advanced setups, explore the Smart Apps section for customized automation options. Consider integrating voice control by connecting a smart speaker to your SmartThings setup. Use voice commands to control your devices hands-free for added convenience. Finally, regularly check the SmartThings app for updates and new features to continue improving your home automation. By following these steps, you'll create a more efficient and responsive smart home environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.